this lace. Look at this. Gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. And it looks like I literally sat in the salon for 6 or 8 hours. And I tell you, this is the best hands down braided unit that I've ever had. Welcome to Living Irving. My name is Tanya, and on this channel, I help women restore their confidence through hair, beauty, lifestyle, wellness, and faith. So girl, let's go ahead and hop on into this video. So ladies, if you have traction alopecia, balding, or thinning edges, this unit right here is for you. Today I am wearing a unit by Luxe by Monif, a black owned company, and this company had us hair loss ladies in mind when she created her units. This is one of her braided units. It's super long. The color is beautiful. The lace is super high def. This unit has such a high quality of lace that you cannot even tell that I'm wearing lace on my hair. I recommend it because it is safe for your hair. Now you can wear this unit glueless. Now it does not give you the options when you're wearing it glueless to pull it up in the top knot like I'm wearing here, but if you want to wear it down like this, you don't have to worry about any glues or anything harming your edge line. Now, I did glue mine down because I like to play around, put it up in my top knot bun. I love rocking the top knot bun. Isn't it cute? Don't I look cute with this top knot bun? But yes, you could play around with it when you have it more like glued down. I don't use glue. I use freeze spray. This is what it looks like, the wig construction. So there's so much parting space up here in the front that you will be able to wear various hairstyles. The wig strap in here is adjustable, and if you don't want any glue or you don't want to work with any sprays, you can totally wear this glueless. I'm going to be freeze spraying the unit today because I want to do some hairstyles for you guys, and if it's on glueless, it's gonna lift up. I did cut the baby hairs off of here because I did not like the baby hairs. So you get a little wave brush with the rat tail comb. You get the wig straps. You get 2 of these wig straps and some HD lace caps. This is how long the wig is. So it does come down and touch the bottom. So these units are custom made by artisans in Ghana and Nigeria, and they are inspected when they are shipped here. And let me tell you, I was so excited to get this wig tried on. I want you to see just how high quality the lace is. Like, I literally have this wig on before cutting the lace, and you literally cannot see where the lace starts and begins. The wig is not a full lace wig, meaning it's not lace from the front to the back. There is cap construction in the back and lace here, which gives you that versatility. So as you can see how I've styled it in different ways on different days. I love wearing the top knot bun. The top knot bun is really cute. I was able to achieve a top knot bun with this look and covering up that cap. So my only con about the wig would be not having it as a full lace wig. I would have much rather had the whole entire wig full lace. That way I could have did more with it. What I love about having this unit, not spending hundreds of dollars, not sitting in the salon for 6, 8, 10 hours, no pain. After getting your hair braided, you can't sleep for a week because it's so tight and you're damaging your hair with all of the pulling. The comfort of knowing that I don't have to worry about any more hair loss or losing my edges. And that is a plus for having a unit like this. Anyone that is losing hair, balding, or thinning like myself, and you so desire to wear a wig, grab you a custom unit. So just imagine having something custom made and curtailed to your needs, something that you can have in your collections for years and years, and you can just pop out your unit when you feel like rock and braid. I do highly recommend this unit. Thank you so much, Luxe by Monif, for sending this unit. You get 2 thumbs up for this unit. So ladies, that does it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. All the information to this product will be linked below. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.